Hear the boss, hear the boss. P9 night. Dancehall artist Spice, fridge no normal, none at all. Our fridge a beat some vibes cartel. One of them fridge them want me get rich. But you know what? Make me shut my mouth with me little bit of money.
Shut your mouth with a little bit of money. Shut up. Life is sweet, let me dip it in a honey.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
So people, yesterday I did an update on Rygin King, and I say, yo, it look like say the artist back in studio and thing. Why me get that impression them because Rygin King are the users of Rygin King account, Rygin King management or team. Someone a part of Rygin King team uploaded a photograph with Rygin King in a studio. So them a give off the impression I say, yo, Rygin King good and everything like that. No, even though that photograph was uploaded with the caption was say give thanks for life, them never say Rygin King good and they back in a studio, but them give back the impression say Rygin King in studio. And even the person we are use Rygin King account, you know, or Rygin King himself, I reply to people in the comment section. I tell them say, yo, thanks and X, Y, and Z. People must say, yo, I'm glad say they back a road and A, B, and C. Rygin King I say, yeah man, bless man, everything good, rare. Only if you find out say that photograph is an old photograph. It new to Rygin King page, but it old is a picture we take long time from March the 6th. How me know that? Pre-wagwan. Now people, that photograph was uploaded on March the 6th and we can clearly see say Rygin King have on the same clothes and it don't kinda look like the same settings. Now that's not the only proof I have that this photograph is an old photograph. Check out this video right here. So the same person that uploaded the photograph on March 6 uploaded this video on June 29 after Rygin King in the liquor area. Him uploaded the video with the caption speedy recovery #badbro whole #firm at Rygin King. Millions of prayers up right now, so them get F right now, one king. So the question what me really wonder, what going on with Rygin King? Because remember after him get shot up on them thing there, he did undergo a spinal cord surgery or some surgery that has to do with the spine. And then it was rumored that Rygin King was crippled. And then the same management team come out and shun that and say, yo, nothing no go so. The singer there, him alright and him a recover. But all know we can't hear from the singer, we can't see the singer or not like that. And I kinda understand because of the whole privacy and X, Y, and Z, but you have to understand as well, we just concerned and he's a public figure. So if I even do a telephone interview or I don't know what the condition of Rygin King if them don't want like do a little video on the phone and put it on Instagram and say, yo, yeah man, me there X, Y, and Z with Rygin King in person, not no photograph from no long time you upload it back or a video from long time them upload it back and make it look like a Rygin. We want something with Rygin King in person. Me think said that to the work. So Rygin King management just make we know what go on with the artist, cause we kinda concerned and we really want to know if the rumors are true. What you think? Are the rumors true? I really hope say I lie them I tell. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comment section below.
I step out and do this by myself. Them never show me no love, them never give me strength. Big up cutter than I had the government. Him say tweet me artist, take it to them.
Tell me in the comment section if Kranium attack facts or Kranium attack rubbish.
Me I tell a man the other day like, when I think about Alkaline, right? The man enter the game, forward in the music, find song after song after song. I'm the only man me see in the music where really, you know, the man dead there, you know, really see him, you know. Like, we know him, you know, and you know the man, you know, but it's like, you don't see the man, you know, brother. So like, when you hear him, you have to just blood clot. Yo, it's just, I just alkaline. You get what I say? musically, the man just, I don't know how the fuck him create that thing, but it works for him, you fuck. That's all I mean. Him and one next one we just have that blood clot thing the way. You don't see the man, but like, you just have to be, it don't even matter if you don't like the man, you just have to just bounce. You have to bounce. You can't bounce. You have to just bounce.
Me have a strong feeling say a true Kranium attack still, but let me know in the comment section below where the Vendetta fans them say, where the Gaza fans them say. Even though you know you can't tell me nothing. You can't be a Gaza fan and don't be a Vendetta fan. Anyway, make me thief piece of terror talk that different, that not have nothing to do with me.
You no mad? Yeah man, you no mad man, look. People left. Candy wow to bomb class. No, she want dead today. I candy wow. Wow, not dead today, wow. No dead today, wow. Your man not dead. Not dead today.
A few days ago, that video started circulating on social media and it look like say Candy Wow is back on the streets again. You see me? And this time she go in at the middle of the road like she want the car run her over. Anyway, I saw this video today.
Them a call out my name to them want get me out. In a them lava man. But me no living in a house. What in the good? Mix up dirty blender. Go rushing on the truck fender. You can't get that style, yeah. You think me a walk over? Candy. You freaky. Everybody just a watch out to freaky.
Candy. Me not tell a lie. That song they have a hook to it. It have something to it. You see me? And boy, Candy, me I don't know, you know, but please don't end up back on the street. I don't know if the person where manage you know her. I don't know if you have a manager know her who take care of you or somebody, a friend or family need to make sure say yo she not go up on the street. A matter of fact, you know, she a big young lady, but even though she a big young lady, you can see say, you know what, let me left that topic here. Please Candy, please, I hope you don't end up back on the street again. You see me? Make we move on. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topic we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way, any other way, or the wrong way. We're gone.
Them a call out my name to them want get me out. In a them lava man. But me no living in a house. What in the good?
What a vibes!